My name is Carla. I was born in a small village. When I was young, I didn't know English. In my village, people spoke our local language. We were happy and content. But one day I heard a story that changed my life. An old man came to our village. He told us many stories. One story was about a girl who learned English. She traveled the world. She met many people. She had many adventures. I listened with wide eyes. I wanted to be like that girl. I decided to learn English, but I did not know where to start. I went to my teacher. Her name was Miss Lily. She was kind and patient. She said, "Carla, you can learn English. Start with simple words." I started with the alphabet, A, B, C, D. I practiced every day. Miss Lily helped me. She gave me small books. The books had simple stories. I read them again and again. Learning new words was fun. Cat, dog, apple, ball. I wrote the words on the notebook. I drew pictures next to them. This helped me remember. I showed my drawings to my friends. They were impressed. Miss Lily taught me to make sentences. The dog is black. I like mango. I practiced speaking these sentences. I felt proud. One day Miss Lily gave me a new book. It was a storybook. The story was about a little boy and his cat. The boy's name was Max. The cat's name was Sophie. Max and Sophie went on many adventures. I loved the story. I read it many times. I learned new words. Adventure, forest, river, mountain. I imagined I was with Max and Sophie. I wanted to read more stories. As I read more, I grew more confident. I could speak in English. I talked to my friends in English. They were surprised. They wanted to learn too. I shared my books with them. Miss Lily said, "Carla, you are doing great. Keep reading and practicing." Her words made me happy. I wanted to learn more and more. Miss Lily gave me tips to learn English better. She said, "Carla, here are some tips. 1. Read every day. 2. Listen to English story and songs. 3. Watch English movies with subtitles. 4. Practice speaking with friends. 5. Keep a diary in English. 6. Learn new words and use them." I followed her tips. I read every day. I listened to English songs. The songs were fun. I tried to sing along. I watched English movies. The subtitles helped me understand. I started keeping a diary. I wrote about my day. Today was a good day. I played with my friends. We went to the park. Writing helped me practice. I learned to express my thoughts in English. My vocabulary grew. I learned new words and phrases. Beautiful, exciting, wonderful. I used them in my daily life. My sentences became better. One day some tourists came to our village. They spoke English. I was excited. I wanted to talk to them. I gathered my courage. I said, "Hello, welcome to our village." They smiled and said, "Hello, thank you." I felt happy. We talked for a while. I told them our village. They told me about their country. It was a great experience. I realized the importance of English. I set a new goal. I wanted to be fluent in English. I wanted to travel like the girl in the story. I practiced harder. I read more books. I wrote more in my diary. Miss Lily encouraged me. She said, "Carla, you can do it. Keep learning and never give up." Her words gave me strength. I was determined. English opened new doors for me. I could talk to more people. I could read more books. I could understand songs and movies. I felt connected to the world. One day I found an old letter. It was from my grandfather. He had traveled to many places. He had written about his adventures. The letter was in English. I read it and felt close to him. English had brought us together. I saved money for my first trip. I wanted to visit a big city. I chose London. It was a dream come true. I was nervous but excited. I practiced speaking every day. When I arrived in London, I was amazed. The city was big and beautiful. I visited many places: the museum, the street, the river. I talked to many people. My English was useful. I felt proud of myself. Learning English was not always easy. Sometimes I made mistakes. Sometimes I felt frustrated, but I didn't give up. I remembered Miss Lily's words. Keep learning and never give up. I practiced every day. I learned from my mistakes. I asked for help when I needed it. My friends and teachers supported me. They encouraged me to keep going. As I become better in English, I wanted to help others. I started teaching English to children in my village. I shared my books and tips with them. They were eager to learn. I felt happy when they learned new words. I saw the same excitement in their eyes. I remembered my own journey. It was a beautiful feeling. One day, a little girl came to me. Her name was Jenny. She said, "Carla, I want to learn English like you." Her words touched my heart. I saw myself in her. I gave her a book. I said, "Start with this. You can do it." She smiled and took the book. It was a special moment for me. I realized the impact I could make. My journey learning English continues. I still listen, read, speak, and practice every day. I learn new words and phrases. I talk to new people, travel to new places. English has changed my life. It has given me confidence. It has opened new doors. It has connected me to the world. I am grateful for this journey. Learning English is important. It helps us communicate. It opens new opportunities. It connects us to the world. Anyone can learn it. With practice and patience, we can all become fluent. I hope my story inspires you. Start small, practice every day, and never give up. Remember, learning is a journey. Enjoy every step of it. You can do it. Here are some tips for you. 1. Read every day. Start with simple books. Gradually move to bigger books. 2. Write in English. Keep a diary. Write about your day. 3. Listen to English. Songs, movies, and shows help. Use subtitles if needed. 4. Speak often. Practice with friends or family. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. 5. Learn new words. Make a list. Use them in sentences. 6. Be patient. Learning takes time. Keep practicing. Learning English has given me many touching moments. One day, I received a letter from a friend. It was in English. The letter said, "Carla, thank you for teaching me. Because of you, I can speak English now." Tears filled my eyes. I felt happy and proud. Another time I helped a tourist who was lost. She spoke English. I guided her to her destination. She thanked me with a big smile. That moment made me realize the power of language. Now it is your turn. Start your journey of learning English. Take small steps. Be patient and persistent. Enjoy the process. You will succeed. Remember, English is not just a language. It is a bridge that connects us to the world. It opens doors to new opportunities. It helps us share our stories and dreams. English has been a gift in my life. It has given me confidence. It has allowed me to help others. It has connected me to the world. I am grateful for this gift. I hope my story inspires you. Start your own journey. Learn, grow, and shine. You have the power to achieve your dreams. The journey of learning English never ends. There's always something new to learn. Keep going. Enjoy every step of the way. Remember, you are not alone. There are many resources and people to help you. Ask for help when you need it. Share your knowledge with others. Together, we can achieve great things. Thank you for reading my story. I hope it inspires you to learn English. Remember, learning is a journey. Enjoy it. Keep practicing and never give up. You can do it.